Exploring secret email system for affiliate success. Hi, and good day, our lovely viewers. Welcome back to our Jewels Moment, Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance, and Astute Inspire channels. Here we will talk about exploring the secret email system for affiliate success. We rarely get enthusiastic about ebooks, but stumbling upon this one truly ignited my excitement. We dove in, explored, and found it packed with immense value, all at an unbelievably low price. Join us as I unveil the treasure trove of insights and strategies hidden within this ebook. At its core, the secret email system is your comprehensive guide to kickstarting an email marketing business from scratch. Even if you're a complete beginner, this ebook offers a complete blueprint, eliminating the need for prior skills or knowledge. Inside, you'll discover techniques to drive traffic to your landing page, create compelling lead magnets, build a robust email list, and effectively promote both your offers and affiliate products. Let's take a sneak peek into the members area. It's brilliantly simple. A one-page website housing the ebook. This ebook, right here, encapsulates everything you need. Inside, they curated a bonus package complementing the secret email system. These bonuses are available as long as this offer lasts. Dive deeper into the product and discover the wealth of resources waiting for you. Click the link in our description or our pinned comment below. From formula calculators to 1,000 email swipes adaptable for any niche, an internet millionaire mind book, an irresistible offer video guide, lead generation templates, and more. It's an all-in-one solution to supercharge your affiliate journey. And if you found today's valuable video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates on wealth, health, and wellness vibes. We appreciate your trust, and your support means the world and everything to us. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, take care, enjoy life, vise, vibe, and be well.